Hello, Internet. All right. So what I got here is a TacPack from TacPack.com. What TacPack is a once-a-month subscription service. You pay $49.95 plus $5 shipping, and they send you a box full of cool tactical goodies. This is the November 2016 box, and they advertise this one to be at $126 in value. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing video, and then maybe we'll take a look at some of the items in the box and see if they are actually add up to $126 in value. Okay. Nice tissue paper. That's always nice. Let's see here near the bottom. I think there is a registry of what's in the box. Oh, and look at that. They've got everything priced out. Alright, so let's take a look at the first thing here. Burn-proof gear. Merino laces. What is that? Burn-proof gear laces. The suppressor cover extraordinaire has developed a 3mm DuPont Kevlar lace that is strength tested to over 500 pounds with a tensile strength of 800 pounds. The proprietary cord blend will ensure that your boots stay strapped without fail up to 2,000 degrees. If my boots are in 2,000 degrees, I'm not going to be too worried about my shoelaces. Let's take a look at them here quick. See, something cool you never knew you wanted. PolySTRIKER. Oh, nice. AR5 bottle opener. Oh, nice. Let's crack that guy open there. Open some bottles, tactical style. Home defense hand grenade. Tools to distract intruders, giving you distinct advantage upon room entry. I wonder if it's one-time use. Hopefully I don't set it off here in a way that... home defense hand grenade. This unit serves as an actual utility system as well as a good office prank. The system is designed to distract an intruder by simple operation by setting the functions and rolling into the space where the threat exists. Then the alarm and lights gain attention of the threat, and you can intervene. We have been in talks with READYMAN for the greater part of a year. The system finally released. All right, let's see if I can set it off. I'm a little scared. Jesus. That's actually pretty nifty. I like that quite a bit. Set that aside. That's from the model opener. Now this, let's see what this is. In obscure packaging. Ooh, it's a mug. Black Rifle Company coffee. Nice. That's not bad at all. And a 20% off entire store at READYMAN. All right. Now I'm going to set this up kind of nice, and we can take a look at everything that was in the box. All right. So I got everything laid out there pretty nice. I did visit these guys' websites, and it does look like the prices listed here are pretty accurate. But yeah, it's pretty neat.